Hello and welcome to the DoorBird introductory webinar. In this webinar, we will introduce you to the DoorBird product line and what sets the DoorBird apart from other video door intercoms on the market. We will look at the features and product specifications that make the DoorBird product unique, including some of the configurations possible in the DoorBird app. First, a little bit about our company. DoorBird is a global brand with over 100 employees and offices in Berlin and San Francisco. The company was founded in 2014 and since has become a market leader in IP video door intercoms with more than 7,000 registered resellers worldwide. The company's headquarters and production site are still located in Germany. Let's start our product overview with the core feature of the DoorBird. Imagine there's a visitor ringing your bell. Maybe it's a friend or a delivery person. Or what if there's a would-be burglar checking to see if anyone is home, and you're at work or on vacation? With the DoorBird IP door intercom, you receive an instant alert on your smart device when someone rings your doorbell or if motion is detected in front of the door. You're able to see and speak with people at your door anytime and from anywhere. The DoorBird app is free, and your DoorBird intercom can be connected to up to 8 smart devices. Because the DoorBird is a cloud-based product, your smart device needs only to be connected to a network or cellular connection to communicate with your DoorBird intercom. The user interface is intuitive and delivers live video, two-way audio, and door control right to your smartphone or tablet, and up to 10 DoorBird intercoms can be connected to one app. Now let's review some of the features found in the DoorBird product line. The first thing you will notice about the DoorBird is the clean and elegant design. Made of stainless steel and equipped with an HD camera, each DoorBird also has, among other features, a motion sensor and an ultra-wide angle lens surrounded by 12 LEDs for night vision. Most models also have a built-in RFID reader. Other exciting features of the DoorBird are up to 2 configurable bistable relays, multiple connection options and easy connectivity, an intuitive-to-use app with lots of setting options for each DoorBird product. In addition to controlling access, you can also set schedules for all functions and customize the DoorBird's functionality to your needs. We have intercoms with a 4D motion sensor, an RFID reader, and models with keypads, displays, and info modules. On top of the discrete design, DoorBird intercoms host a wide range of features that make the DoorBird a versatile product. Whether it is access control, CCTV, home automation, or a multi-tenant application, the DoorBird can be the solution. As you'd expect, all of the DoorBird intercoms are outdoor rated and weather resistant. We have our units installed all over the world, and we have yet to find a climate that DoorBird can't handle. In all of our models, you will find a camera with an ultra-wide 180-degree lens. As you can see, the view is much better than with a regular fisheye lens, and your visitor can be standing to the side of the camera and still be captured by the camera. Many of the DoorBird models utilize our 4D motion detection technology, which can be configured to sense motion based on direction and distance of the motion. So for example, I'm able to configure the motion detector to only alert if the motion is approaching the DoorBird and gets within 9 feet. Possibly the most impressive feature of the DoorBird is its ability to integrate with other systems. Native to the DoorBird, the audio, video, and control can be accessed through the DoorBird app or by logging through a browser window via a URL. We refer to this as our HTML widget. The DoorBird was designed to work with other systems, giving you many options for how to communicate with and control your front door. All DoorBird models are SIP enabled. Out of the box, the DoorBird will make a peer-to-peer SIP call. If the DoorBird is paired with a SIP server, it can be configured to send both audio and video to IP phones and call landline phones. DoorBird has an open API which allows home automation companies and integrators to connect the DoorBird to smart home systems. Drivers have been built for all major home automation systems. The camera in the DoorBird can be recorded into an NVR just like any other IP camera. The physical connections built into the DoorBird provide a lot of flexibility and options for how the DoorBird is installed and for pairing the DoorBird with different devices. For example, all the DoorBirds can be powered via PoE or with the included transformer. All models can be connected to a hardwired chime, and all DoorBird models have a terminal to connect a third-party access control device. Let's have a look at the connection options of various DoorBird models. Here you can see the connection options of the D21 series. It comes with 2 relays and has a RJ45 socket for easy installation. This is the connection terminal of our latest D11 series. It is designed to save space by using a more compact construction. The series is also Wi-Fi enabled. Last but not least, the connection terminal of our entry-level series D10. The D10 is also Wi-Fi capable. This is an overview of all DoorBird models with one call button for private and commercial buildings. With options ranging from Wi-Fi, keypads, or display modules, DoorBird offers the perfect solution for every application. Of course, DoorBird also offers models for multifamily houses. These come with individual call buttons or keypads and screens to always reach the right tenant. We at DoorBird understand that it's not all about how it works, but also how it looks. For projects where the customer needs the DoorBird to stand out or blend in and complement the existing fixtures, we have a library of finishes to choose from. DoorBird also manufactures an indoor station for communicating with your DoorBird door station. The indoor station can be connected via Wi-Fi or a hardwired connection. You can pair indoor stations with multiple DoorBirds, even if they're not in the same network, like in the case of a multi-tenant building. In addition to our door stations, DoorBird also has a line of accessories available. There's an IP chime for sounding audio alerts when the doorbell is pressed. There's also a networkable relay box that, when paired with the DoorBird, will add 3 more relays that can be triggered via the DoorBird app. And perhaps the coolest accessory, the 2-wire Ethernet PoE converter that will transmit data and power over just 2 conductors. This can be a lifesaver for retrofit jobs where there's only the existing 2-conductor wire from the old doorbell. For more information, you can go to DoorBird.com. Here you will find product data sheets, installation manuals, and instructional videos. On the website, you can also register to become a DoorBird reseller and purchase product in our web shop. For more information, please go to DoorBird.com/contact.